Question number 7, page 330. I is equal to 1 plus 3x minus x square under root dx, right? As I discussed in previous video, right? We are only 3 examples left, 7, 8, 9 and 2 MCQ, and then we are going to solve miscellaneous question of indefinite, okay? Now, see, as I discussed in previous video, this is x square is negative term, so you need last term also negative. So last term will be 9 upon 4, right? So adding 9 by 4 and separating 9 by 4. So what we get? Integration under root 1 plus 9 by 4. We want 9 by 4 here also, right? Separating and adding, right? Plus 3x minus x square, and this is dx. Now taking minus common from this and simplifying this, 4 plus 9, 13 by 4, right? So this is, we get under root 13 by 4 minus common. So I am writing x square first. So x square minus 3x plus this is 9 by 4, okay, and dx. Got it? Now this is x, middle term sign is minus, and this is 3 by 2. So this is x minus 3 by 2 whole square. This is root 13 by 2 whole square. So writing answer under root, this is root 13 by 2 whole square minus x minus 3 by 2 whole square and dx. So this is the formula as we apply in previous video. This is root a square minus x square, root a square minus x square, that is third formula. So answer of this is x by 2, x is this. So answer will be I is equal to x by 2, that is x minus 3 by 2 divided by 2, right? Then under root a square minus x square, that is as it is. So this is this, simplification is this, because we are adding and subtracting but not we are taking anything. So answer is under root 1 plus 3x minus x square under root 1 plus 3x minus x square, right? Then plus a square by 2, a square by 2, so root 13 square is 13 by 4, so this is 13 by 4, and sine inverse x, x is x minus 3 by 2, so x minus 3 by 2 upon a is root 13 by 2, so root 13 by 2 and plus c is your answer. So simplifying this, taking 2 LCM, we get twice x minus 3 by 4 under root as it is 1 plus 3x minus x square plus 13 by 4, and this is sine inverse twice x minus 3. 2 LCM will be cut. Answer is denominator root 13 plus c. So this is your final answer, right? Then question number 8. So question number 8, page 330 is I is equal to integration x square plus 3x under root x square plus 3x dx. X square plus 3x dx. Now there is no constant term, but you have to find out last term. Last term is 3 square, that is 9 by 4. So adding 9 by 4 and subtracting 9 by 4. So same as this, 9 by 4 adding and subtracting, right? This term is not given and a sign is given plus. So similar question. So integration, this is x square plus 3x plus 9 by 4 and minus 9 by 4 dx. So this is integration. This is x plus 3 by 2 whole square minus 3 by 2 whole square dx. So applying x square minus a square, that is first formula, you have to write down in your notebook while you are solving this, right? So x square minus a square formula is x by 2, that is x plus 3 by 2 divided by 2 under root as it is x square minus a square, that is x square plus 3x. So x square plus 3x, Remember one thing, while you have taken some anything common, then that is not your this. Okay, so there at that time you have to divide or if you take common, then you have to again multiply in square root. Okay, so this is x by 2 as it is, and applying x square minus a square this formula, so minus a square by 2, so a square is 9 by 4, 9 by 4 divided by 2. So we are making some mistake here, is 13 by 4, 13 by 4 is square by 2, so we will get into 8. So answer will be 13 by 8 sine inverse. Sorry, we are making mistake. I am writing 2 here, so I recalling that we are missing here 2. Okay, sorry. So a square by 2 log mod x. X is x plus 3 by 2. So x is x plus 3 by 2 and plus x square minus a square, right? So plus under root as it is. So under root x square plus 3x. So under root x square plus 3x and plus c. This is your answer, right? So taking to LCM, we will get twice x plus 3 divided by 4 into under root x square plus 3x minus 9 by 8. Taking 2 LCM log twice x plus 3 by 2. So twice x plus 3 by 2 and plus under root x square plus 3x and plus c. So this is your answer, right? Any problem? Anybody? Okay, fine. Question number 9, page 330. Given I is equal to integration 1 plus x square by 9, right? So taking 1 upon 9 common, because we always want coefficient of x square, that is perfect square term, coefficient always must be 1 for without any mistake getting the answer, right? So taking 9 common, that is square root of 9 is 3, so 1 upon 3 common, under root we have to multiply by 9 here, so this is 9 plus x square dx, 9 plus x square dx. So this is a square plus x square, that is root 3, 3 square plus x square, either x square plus a square. So I might be writing under root x square plus 3 square and dx. So applying middle formula x square plus a square, what we get that you know, so you have to write the answer directly, right? No need to explain anything, right? Now question number 10, that is your MCQ. So question number 10 is first MCQ. I is equal to integration, given that under root 1 plus x square, under root 1 plus x square dx. So no need to say anything. You can write directly answer from option given, right? Because your answer is x square plus a square formula, that is answer is x square plus a square 1 square, that is x by 2, right? Under root 1 plus x square plus x square plus a square, so plus a square by 2, that is 1 upon 2, and log mod x plus under root x square plus 1, that is your answer. And I think option A is your correct answer, so you have to write answer here. And then question number 11, right? Page 330, right? Page 330. Another MCQ is I is equal to integration. I is equal to integration under root x square minus 8x plus 7 and dx. X square minus 8x plus 7 dx, right? So 8 is here. So last term will be 8 square 64 divided by 4, that is 16. So you need plus 16 here, but it is given 7. So adjusting last term under root x square minus 8x plus 16, right? If I subtract 9, then we will get 7dx. 16 minus 9 is 7. Either adding 16 and subtracting 16. 7 minus 16 is minus 9. So this is the perfect square of under root x minus 4 whole square minus 3 square dx. So applying x square minus a square, that is first formula x by 2 that is x minus 4 by 2 under root x square minus 8x plus 7 minus a square by 2, that is 9 by 2 log more x minus 4 plus under root x square minus 8x plus 7. That is your answer. So apply your first formula, you will get your answer. So this is here we finish integration, indefinite integration, exercise 7.7. Now we are going to solve miscellaneous question of indefinite integration. So for that I require some space. So now no need of this formula, so I want to clean board first. Okay, so wait. So we are solving example number 25. These questions are given as a supplementary examples behind your textbook. So this is on 614 page number, right? We learn a form this px upon q whole upon either ax square plus bx plus c form is given, integration dx, either integration px plus q whole upon under root ax square plus bx plus c dx form is given. What we are doing, what we did, शू करता था, हमने क्या किया, right? So we are writing px plus q is equal to m into ddx of ax square plus bx plus c and plus n, another constant, right? Then equating and solving questions, both sides equation, and comparing coefficient of x square x and constant of, we will get mn, and then you are going to apply a formula that we did this type of questions in indefinite integration in previous videos. Now this is given in fx f dash x form. So now you need to, instead of doing this adjustment of here, right, you have to adjust here. So derivative of x square, either you can find out directly like this also. Here this is of form integration, this is of the form px plus q into under root ax square plus bx plus c dx form, right? So similarly you have to write px plus q is equal to m into ddx of this plus n, and then find out the answer using applying under root x square plus x square, x square minus x square, either x square minus x square formula, right? So this is your form, new form, right? What you have to do, you have to do like this same, find out m and n and get your answer. So now solution. So solution for this is, I am writing x is equal to, instead of px plus q, this is given only x. So x is equal to ddx of bracket, that is 1 plus x minus x square, right, into one constant m and another constant n. I forgot to write down m here, so I am writing m here. So x is equal to m 0 1 minus twice x plus n. So expanding this, x is equal to m minus twice mx plus n. So comparing the coefficient of x is 1 here and here minus twice m, and constant term is 0. So 0 is equal to, constant terms are m and n. So m plus n is equal to 0. That is m is equal to minus n is equal to, from m here it is minus 1 upon 2. So n is equal to, therefore n is equal to minus of m, that is plus half. So we get the value of m and n. Substituting value here, what we get? Therefore x is equal to m. M is minus half. So minus half into ddx of 1 plus x minus x square, and n is minus, that is plus half. N is plus half. So integrating this we get, so I is equal to integration. Now instead of x we have to write this, so minus half ddx of 1 plus x minus x square and plus half, right, into under root of 1 plus x minus x square dx. Got it? This is your answer. Now multiplying this term with this and this with this, right? So we get minus half, right? Integration, we have to write minus half also inside, minus half d dx of 1 plus x minus x square into root, right? So just wait a minute, I am writing first root then d dx. I am writing first our question, that is integration root 1 plus x minus x square into d dx of this 1 plus x minus x square, right, into minus half dx. Got it? Plus multiply this, so 1 upon 2 integration under root 1 plus x minus x square and dx. Now derivative of this is this, so this is constant, so writing outside the constant, this is minus half integration 1 plus x minus x square into d dx of 1 plus x minus x square and plus 1 upon dx, right, and plus 1 upon 2, so plus 1 upon 2 integration. Now you have to make this perfect square for applying under root x square plus a square, x square minus a square, either a square minus x square. So this is plus perfect square is minus, so you need another term, constant term is minus, so last term will be x square by x 1 by 4, so you have to subtract 1 by 4 and adding 1 by 4, what we get 1 plus 1 upon 4 minus 1 upon 4 plus x minus x square dx we will be get. So this is minus 1 upon 2 integration, I am writing this as it is 1 plus x minus x square into d dx of 1 plus x minus x square dx plus 1 upon 2 integration, this is square root of 4 plus 1 5, that is root 5 by 2 whole square, and taking minus common this become x minus, this become minus if we take minus common, so x minus 1 upon 2 whole square dx, right? Now derivative of this is here, right? So applying formula integration fx raised to n into f dash x dx is equal to, answer is 1 power more, that is fx raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus c formula. So answer of this will be minus 1 upon 2, this is 1 plus x minus x square raised to half is there already, and plus 1 power, that is plus 1, sorry I have to put plus 1 here, whole upon half plus 1, and plus 1 upon 2 is constant, and the derivative of this, integration of this is root a square minus x square. So applying root a square minus x square, so don't have formula, right? So root a square minus x square is sine inverse formula, root a square minus x square. So which is the formula is applicable here? You have to write a formula 1 upon a square, root a square minus x square, that is x by 2. X by 2 is x minus 1 upon 2 upon 2 as it is, that is this, that is 1 plus x minus x square. So 1 plus x minus x square, 1 plus x minus x square by 2, right? A is plus, so plus a square by 2, that is 5 by 2 upon 2, a square by 2, and sine inverse x is x minus 1 upon 2 upon root 5 by 2 and plus c is the answer. So simplifying this, so I want to remove this formula, right? So if you want to note, then take a screenshot of this. Okay, take it. Okay, now I'm removing because I want some space here. I will keeping the question here, so you have to write answer, right? So now this is 1 plus 2, 3 by 2, 2 will be cut, right? So answer is minus 1 upon 3. So answer is minus 1 upon 3, and this is 1 plus x minus x square raised to 3 by 2, raised to 3 by 2. Now this is twice x minus 1 upon 2 into 2, 4, right? Into 2, that is by 8. So this is plus 1 upon 8 twice x minus 1 under root 1 plus x minus x square plus 5 by 4 and sine inverse twice x minus 1 upon root 5 and plus c. This is your answer. Got it? So this is a nice questions for your exam point of view, for 4 marks question, right? So remember this. Now you know we are not going to apply in this tedious form. So just writing directly, derivative of this x square is minus twice x. So we need here minus 2, but no minus 2. So divide and multiply by minus 2. What we get? This is equal to minus 1 upon 2 integration. This is minus twice x into under root 1 plus x minus x square dx. This is what we get, right? Now derivative of this x is plus 1. So we require plus 1 here. So next step will be minus 1 upon 2. Right? I am doing another method. So twice x plus 1. So you have to subtract 1. Right? So this is twice x plus 1 minus 1. Because derivative of 1 is x is 1. So I am adding 1 and subtracting 1. And this is under root 1 plus x minus x square dx. That means we have to find out, m and n directly here as what we did in this type of form. In this type of form, what we did like this. So now instead of denominator and numerator, you have to do in front side of the function, right? So now multiply this, you will be get here directly. And then multiply by this, you will have to write this. So this step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 are removed by only 2 steps, if you know. Got it? So I suggest you to apply and this formula. Okay? You have to practice for this formula. Otherwise, if you don't like this, you can go using this method, right? So there is more questions. So another question, question number 12 from page 616. This is x, this is square. Now derivative of x square is, we have to start with highest power, right? You know. So derivative of x square is twice x, but no 2 here. So divide and multiply by 2. So divide and multiply by 2, what we get? Integration. This is twice x, right? And the derivative of this is 1. So I am adding 1. That means we have to subtract 1 also. Got it? Any problem? So this is under root x square plus x and dx. So this is a very easy method. Once again, derivative of highest power is x square. So derivative of this is twice x. So no 2, divide and multiply by 2. Now derivative of this is 1. So I am adding 1, subtracting 1. So instead of x, I am writing this. Got it? Now multiply this and this. So what we get? This is half integration. I am writing this first. Root x square plus x into twice x plus 1, right? Minus half. So dx and minus half integration. This is nothing but x square plus x. So this dx, right? So now this is 1 upon 2 integration, keep it this as it is. This is fx and derivative of this fx is f dash x is here. So applying fx into f dash x formula that you know, minus 1 upon 2 integration, right? X square plus x. So last term will be 1 upon 4. So there is no 1 upon 4 means add 1 upon 4 and subtract 1 upon 4. So plus 1 upon 4 and minus 1 upon 4 and dx. Right? So this is 1 upon 2 integration square root of x square plus x into twice x plus 1 dx minus 1 upon 2 integration. This is x, middle term is plus 1 upon 2 whole square, and this is minus 1 upon 2 whole square dx. So apply root x square plus x square formula, and here derivative of this is this. So this is your fx and this is f dash x. So applying formula 1 upon 2. So 1 power more, because formula is this integration fx raised to n into f dash x dx. Then answer will be fx raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus c. This is your answer, right? So applying this formula here for this, right? So what we get? This is x square plus x raised to half power, and add one more, that is half plus 1, that is half plus 1 whole upon half plus 1. This is answer for this, and minus 1 upon 2. Now root x square minus a square formula. So x by 2, that is x plus 1 upon 2 divided by 2, root as it is. So this is x square plus x. So I am writing x square plus x directly. Minus a square by 2 is 1 upon 4 divided by 2, that is 1 upon 8, and log mod x is x plus 1 upon 2, right? And plus under root as it is x square plus x and plus c. So if we simplify this, we get answer. This is 1 plus 2, 3 by 2, and this is 2, will cut. So answer will be 1 upon 3, right? So answer will be 1 upon 3 x square plus x raised to 3 by 2 minus, this is twice x plus 1 and 2, that is 4 and 2, 8. So twice x plus 1 divided by 8 into under root x square plus x minus plus 1 upon 16 log mod twice x plus 1 divided by 2 plus under root x square plus x and plus c. This is your answer. Got it? So another two questions of this type are these 13 and 14. See here, 2x square, derivative of 2x square is 4x. So we need 4 here, but no 4. So multiply and divide by 4. Integration 1 upon 4. 4x plus 4. We get under root 2x square plus 3 and dx. Right? And derivative of 3 is 0. So we want only 4x. So multiply 4x with this and this. What we get? 1 upon 4 integration under root 2x square plus 3 into 4x dx plus 4 will be cut, integration under root 2x square plus 3 dx. Right? Now this is standard formula, this, right? And here take 2 common and apply x square plus a square formula. So you can solve this yourself also. So try yourself. If you have any problem, contact me. Similarly here, derivative of this is minus twice x. So what we would need here, minus twice x. So multiply and divide by minus 2. So multiply and divide by minus 2. We get minus twice x minus 6 under root 3 minus 4x minus x square dx. So derivative of this is, see here, x square is minus 2x. Now derivative of this is minus 4. So what we need here, minus 4. So splitting out minus 6 as minus 4 and minus 2. So we get minus half integration minus twice x minus 4 minus 2, and this is as it is. So under root 3 minus 4x minus x square dx. Now multiply this and multiply this with this, and you will get you are able to get answer, because you can, I believe in yourself, right? So be self-confidence and try yourself for practice, right? So these both examples are for you for solving, okay?